Cardiff is the beautiful capital of Wales, situated only 2 hours from London by train. Despite being a capital city, Cardiff remains 34% cheaper than London, with housing being an incredible 47% more affordable. With 4 universities within the city, 78,000 students live in Cardiff every year, ranking Cardiff the #1 UK city to live in for young people. The national symbols are the dragon, daffodil, leek, and the harp, and the national sport is rugby. In fact, Cardiff was named the European Capital of Sports in 2014. Drawing 18.9 million visitors every year, 99% of people would recommend Cardiff as a destination to visit, with its extensive shopping district, Cardiff Castle, Millennium Centre and Cardiff Bay being just a few examples of what the city has to offer. 10% of Cardiff is parkland, with 330 parks and gardens across the city, leading Cardiff to be awarded the #1 most peaceful major urban area in the UK. At the Celtic English Academy, we believe that Cardiff is the best place to live and study in the UK.